Hi, I'm Giuseppe De Palo. If you are a staff member, service contractor, consultant, JPO, volunteer or an intern at UNDP, UNFPA, UNICEF, UNOPS, or UN Women, anywhere in the world, I'm your ombudsman. My job and that of my team is to help staff and management prevent and resolve work-related disputes in a constructive manner. We do so by providing independent, neutral, informal, and confidential support to anyone in the 5 organizations who asks for our help. One of the ways we do this is through mediation, which helps people who are in disagreement or in a dispute find a mutually satisfactory solution. Mediation is a discussion by 2 or more parties who have sought the help of a neutral third party, the mediator, to assist them in reaching an amicable resolution of the issues they are facing and which they have not been able to resolve by themselves or with the help of others. The mediator will not make a decision for the parties, for example by saying who is right and who is wrong. As a neutral third party, the mediator will make sure that each party's perspective is heard. The mediator will then facilitate the dialogue so that the most important interests and concerns can emerge and be addressed. At the end of a mediation, people will often have improved their communication, repaired the relationship, or reached agreement on a particular matter. And if an agreement is signed by all parties, that agreement is final and binding. Mediation offers a lot of advantages. I will list only a few here, but please check out our website for more information about why mediation might be your best choice when dealing with a workplace issue. First, in mediation, nobody decides for you, as is the case, for example, when judges or arbitrators make final decisions for litigants. In mediation, your agreement is required to allow anything to happen. Second, the parties control the mediation process from start to finish. When to meet, whether there will be only joint meetings or also separate meetings, who else might participate, and so on. The nature of the dispute and the preferences of the parties shape the process. This is the opposite, again, of what happens in a tribunal or during an investigation, where strict rules dictate each step of the procedure. Third, mediation is confidential. The parties and the mediator all solemnly agree that nothing said by either party or by the mediator can leave the mediation room. Think, for example, of an admission of responsibility or of an apology. Nothing at all will be revealed to anyone unless everyone consents. Finally, let me add one key advantage of mediation at the Office of the Ombudsman for United Nations Funds and Programs. That advantage is professionalism. This office has been around for almost 20 years, and the mediators working here have, altogether, several centuries of experience successfully helping people all over the world. Tap into that professional experience. It is for you to use. Of course, it is possible that mediation might not resolve your case. If that happens, your options to pursue other avenues to resolve the matter remain intact. Also, most people benefit from mediation regardless of the outcome. Hearing the other party's perspective and assessing their reaction to yours can help you make a more informed decision about what to do if mediation has not resolved the conflict at hand. If you're interested in mediation, contact our office via phone or email. If the case is suitable for mediation, and if you agree, we will contact the other party or parties. And if they agree to participate, the assigned mediator will convene all parties in our office so that everyone can come together to talk, in person or via technology. We will accompany you throughout the process, what you can expect from mediation, how to prepare for mediation, and how much time you should set aside, and so on. Please remember, the decision to settle a dispute or not, and even the decision to continue with mediation or not, is entirely yours. If you find mediation unhelpful, you are free to withdraw at any time. The United Nations strongly encourages the resolution of disputes via informal and amicable means, including mediation, whenever possible. Help us model the values that the UN is promoting all over the world, here inside our own organizations, and have a healthier work environment by always considering mediation as one of your primary options to prevent and resolve workplace conflict. Thanks for watching, and please share this video with any colleague who might find it helpful.